Chapter 7 Conservation of Wildlife. We will learn Poaching of Wildlife, Project Tiger, how we can save wildlife, animal and people, cruelty to animals. Wildlife conservation is the management of natural environments for the protection and benefit of plants and animals. Some species of plants and animals have become extinct because of natural causes. However, in modern times, the activities of human beings and human population growth have increased the danger for wildlife. As a result, some species have declined greatly in numbers and others are now extinct. Thus, human beings created the need for conservation. The nature has bestowed upon us a rich variety of wildlife. They make the earth colorful and beautiful. Besides, they are an important part of the environment. Without them, the environment would suffer immensely. There are a large variety of animals found on the earth. The forests are the natural habitat of most animals. The human beings present several dangers to wildlife. The increasing population has put pressure on the wildlife and forests. Human intervention in the forests and wildlife has threatened several species of wildlife. Some species of animals have become endangered. An endangered species is the one of which only a few animals are left. Some of the endangered species include tiger, crocodile, lion, bear, etc. Some species have become extinct. An extinct species is the one of which all animals have been killed. The most famous extinct species is the dinosaur, which was destroyed millions of years ago due to natural causes. However, man is responsible for the extinction of most species. Some of the species that became extinct in the recent past include dodo and green collar parrot. Poaching of wildlife. When human beings clear forests for agriculture, airports, dams, and other construction activities, they also pose a danger to animals living in the forest. It is said that about one species becomes extinct every half an hour in the Amazon basin due to clearing of forests. Besides the clearing of forests, another danger to wildlife is killing the animals. Wild animals are killed for meat, bone, skin, and oil. Some animals are killed just for recreation. Some of the animals' parts are very valuable and they are sold for high prices in the market. For example, the goods made of elephant tusks are very expensive. Similarly, the skins of lion, tiger, snake, and wolf are sold for very high prices. When animals are killed illegally, it is called poaching. The persons who do this illegal work are called poachers. Knowledge window. Since the 1600s, the use of animals for food and other products have been one of the major causes of extinct or endangered animals. Project Tiger. The tiger is our national animal. Still, it was being killed ruthlessly for game and skin. As a result, it became an endangered species. In order to protect it, the Government of India initiated the Project Tiger in 1973. This project seeks to protect the tiger and the area in which it lives so that it gets suitable environment for its life. For this purpose, 27 tiger reserves have been established in different states. It is heartening to note that the number of tigers have increased due to this project. How we can save wildlife. Wildlife is significant for our survival, so we should take steps to ensure their safety. In their safety lies our own safety. Some of the steps can be as follows. 1. Create awareness. We should tell people about the significance of wildlife in our life. 2. Motivate people. We should tell people not to kill wildlife as it harms the environment. 3. Serve wildlife. If we find any diseased animal, we should take steps to treat it. 4. Provide shelter. If it is necessary to clear a forest, suitable shelter should be created for the wildlife to live at another place. Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 amended in 1991, was enacted to include following activities: restriction and prohibition on hunting of animals, protection of specific plants, setting up of sanctuaries and national parks, empowering 200 authorities with control of zoos and captive breeding, control of trade and commerce in wildlife products and trophies, educating people about the importance and protection of wildlife, animals and people. You have read that animals give us different products and services. Some people are dependent on animals for their livelihood. Some people rear animals for meat, eggs, wool, and milk. Some people use animals as means of transport. Some people catch or trap birds, snakes, and animals and sell them. Some people hunt or kill animals and sell their body parts. Some people entertain others using animals. A circus is the place where you see a large number of tricks played using animals. Knowledge window. Yadav and Gujar are two communities which are fully dependent on animals for their livelihood. People use animals to satisfy their need, but it is not always true that they are harassing animals. From the historic period, there are several stories of human-animal friendship. Do you know, Maharana Pratap and Rani Lakshmibai loved their horses so much that they call them their best friends. Cruelty to animals. Cruelty is a relative term. An act in one circumstance can be considered to be cruelty, while in other it may not be termed so. Animals are also living beings. They have life and feel pain. So we must be kind to animals. Cruelty to animals is not something that should be taken lightly. It is a crime. It is an important indicator of how the people are going to behave towards humans as well. We can be cruel to animals in various ways. Only hitting animals is not cruelty to them. The animals love to live in their natural habitat. If we take them away from it, it amounts to cruelty to them. So, keeping animals in a zoo or circus for entertainment purposes is cruelty to them. Similarly, making animals do tricks at the threat of pain or hunger is also being cruel to them. Knowledge window. Dog fighting and cockfighting are illegal and falls under cruelty to animals. Quick review. Wildlife conservation is the management of natural environments for the protection and benefit of plants and animals. Human intervention in the forests and wildlife has threatened several species of wildlife. The most famous extinct species is the dinosaur, which was destroyed millions of years ago due to natural causes. The number of tigers have increased due to the initiation of Project Tiger in 1973. When animals are killed illegally, it is called poaching. Animals have life and feel pain, so we must be kind to them. Making animals do tricks at the threat of pain or hunger is also being cruel to them.